This is our result of the vegetable soup. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. Welcome guys. For my old time subscribers and my new ones, thank you guys. I really appreciate. God bless you for your support. So how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video is how I make my vegetable stew or soup. Anyone can serve. So this my vegetable yummy Nigerian delicacy. I'm going to introduce to you what I'm going to use in making my Nigerian vegetable soup or stew. So let me introduce to you what I'm going to use. The recipe. So this is my vegetable spinach. I'm going to use spinach. You can use any vegetable like ugu, or ugu is punk leaf now, so you can use it. So this is my meat. I'm using two different meat, shaki and cow leg, and this is my blend pepper, and this is my my locust beans and crayfish. I just have little crayfish, so I'm going to use it. I'm not going to blend it. I'll just manage this crayfish. So this is my fish. After I will fry it with the oil. This is my maggi and my salt, my chopped onions, and I'm going to add a little bit of this Gino tomato paste, and this is my oil. I'm going to use this red oil in making my vegetable soup. So let's begin. Let me wash my hand. And so I've on my pot, so I'll allow it to dry, so that I will add my oil. I'm going to add oil. Guys, I've added our oil. I'll allow our oil to heat for some time. So now we are going to add our tomato paste, just a little. See? Okay. So I'm going to add my pepper. So guys, I forgot to let you guys know that I added ginger and garlic and uziza seed, because I don't have this leaf. So I'm going to pour in. And cover. So now let me check tomatoes. So now I'm going to add my locust beans and crayfish. and stir. If you don't have locust beans, you can cook your vegetable like that. So let's check. Wow, the aroma is too much. So I'm going to add our fish now, because I did not steam it or I did not fry it again. So I'm going to add it. This will be as if I'm steaming it. So we'll check it now. Oh, the aroma. So guys, I'm going to bring out the fish because I don't want the fish to pieces or scatter. Anyone know? So I'll bring it out and put it back later, because I don't want the fish to scatter like I said. Oh, this stew or soup, can eat it with anything. So I'm going to add our meat and the stock. Guys, ignore the bone, no. Because I don't have nekuma. So now allow it to boil very well. So guys, now I'm going to add salt and maggi. Salt and maggi. No funel. So also covered. So now I'm going to add our vegetable. I've washed it very well and slice it. Guys, the aroma is too much. Hey, this soup, itokata, this delicious yummy vegetable soup or stew. So I'll add our fish. I'll just stir it a little. Who need this delicious stew or soup? Just tell me, let me send it through DHL. Oh, yummy. When I mean yummy, this is really yummy. So guys, Our vegetable delicious soup or stew is ready. You can use this to eat your rice, your yam, this is yummy, your gari, your semo, your pandu yam, any one of your choice. So our vegetable is ready. I'm going to off the gas now. As you can see, our soup is ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share this video. Your friend might like it. Comment, join this moving train, guys. This channel. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. This is our result of the vegetable soup. Thank you guys, and God bless you.